Here, I'm using all the bits of the storytelling framework. Let's see, set the stage. We exist where ignorance breeds overconfidence. The unskilled lack the metacognitive skill to recognize their own flaw. I will close here just to make it a little bit bigger. So you have here story tap. T has triggers in it, but catastrophic failure violently shatters this illusion, like the Tahakoma narrow bridge collapsing because designer blindly overextended theory. Offer a solution, therefore, we must employ a project pre-mortem, assuming a project has already failed to unearth hidden vulnerabilities are as revealed obstacles, but our minds naturally fixate on dramatic black swan anomalies while ignoring quite cumulative risk like fatigue. Why has illuminated the path? Therefore, the true breakthrough is gaining actual competence. Explicit training grants us the metacognitive ability to spot our fatal errors. T as transformation. Therefore, we transform from blissfully ignorant to sharply calibrated. But this requires aggressively, so this is the action, what we should do as an end user, but this requires aggressively studying our failures rather than hiding them. P as impact, therefore, we will avert disaster using perspective insight to build that survive reality. It's the same bit, and it's something that is completely different. You can see that every single bit is anchored to real sources. Nothing is hallucinated. Nothing came from nowhere. Everything is grounded on the source. You are not writing yet. You are just building the bones that the writing will hang on. So you are building the skeleton. This is really the grounded architecture path. This is what will make your content different, because everything that you will generate with Notebook LM is grounded in the sources that you provided. You can provide it, for instance, all your writing articles, all the articles that you have written, and then after you can generate new content based on the articles that you have written. You can also give it your writing style, and in the prompt part where you in the studio part, you can ask it to write a blog part using your brand voice, or you can ask it even to use, let's say, your brand visuals and brand guide. Here you can see that we have the structure. Now we find the gaps. The moments were logic and sound for sure, but there is something that we are missing really. And what we are missing really in this story that I shared with you is what I call the empathy. Empathy meaning how we tell a story so that we can connect to other people. Something that is really important.